Hey, good day. I'm Akim Jack, and today we're going to be doing another tutorial. This is on remote desktop. Okay, I'm going to be using Server 2008 and Windows Vista. Okay, so the first thing we do, well, remote desktop really allows one desktop to remotely access another desktop, or a client, or a server, whatever the scenario may be. It allows one machine to connect with another machine remotely, hence a suitable label. Okay, so the first thing we do, we can note the IP address, because it has many ways you can do this, or should I say two ways. TCP/IP4, we note the IP address 192.168.0.1. We go to the server manager. Let me show you how I went there. Start server manager. I think it has another way you can go there. I'm not too sure right now. Okay, and we can see here, since we're using Server 2008, configure remote desktop. Okay, it has many features: computer name, hardware, advanced, remote. So basically, the different options that don't allow connections to this computer, allow connections from computers running any version of remote desktop. This is less secure. Allow connections from only from Allow connections only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication. So we're gonna select some users. Just show you how you add a user. You click on add, okay, and you type in the name of the user on the network who you allow to use it from, to access it from, I should say. Because on the client side, you have to be logged in as someone. So like usually the network administrators will probably have their own user account. So I might be Akim Jack, or in this case Anthony. I'm gonna check the name, Anthony Smith. I know he's a user. In fact, okay. And the network administrator, whoever is in charge of the server duties, will have a profile that they can access the server from, or they will be able to, let's just, they'll be able to use, so they won't be using the server machine all the time. They have their own profile, you know what I mean? Okay, I hope I cleared that up a little bit. Okay, so let's access Windows Vista. Okay, we're gonna go to start. This, by the way, this is the Anthony machine, Anthony.Smith. I kind of skipped ahead and logged into it already. Sorry about that. I'm a lamp professional today. Remote desktop. Okay, so we can either type in the full computer name, which is jackman.intel.com, or we can type in the IP address 92.168.0. Anyone will work efficiently. So you see that worked? Or Jackman. Let's see if that will work as well. Yep, and it worked. So let's try the IP address. Okay, so you, for the username, you'll have to put in a full computer name, which is jackman.intel.com. And ooh, I forgot something. We'll be accessing it from the administrator machine, because the server is an administrator machine, or one of the rights on the machine is an administrator account. So we put an administrator and the administrator password. Voila! We're in the server. You can see up here we have our little things. We have, we're able, and once it says jackman.intel.com, says IP address, and we're into the server. Now what we can do here through my whole series of tutorials, I've been leaving a little hello message to signify when we are in different accounts. So we can put a message like goodbye. I'll show you the relevance of this now. We save this goodbye on the desktop. So it's right here. And we log out of the server. And we're back into Windows Vista. And let's go down here. And wow, we have our Windows server, the real machine on the server. And we enter. And we have our goodbye right here waiting on us. Let's click on it to make sure it has what I put in there. Do all these things. Goodbye. Okay. So we can tell that this is truly working. And just look at this right here. This is the client. This is the server. We can do it again through. We can have both of them running simultaneously. I wonder if that could happen. Let's try. I'm joking. You'll have to try on your own. Can't show you everything. So I hope this was informative, and I'd like to thank you for viewing. Goodbye.